Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready. Power on your Realme TV and confirm it's on the same Wi-Fi as your phone. Open Google Home and sign in with the Google account you'll use to control the TV. This ties voice control to the device. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the app has location permission because Discovery relies on local scanning. Once done, you're ready to pair devices. Go to Devices in Google Home and tap Add to begin the connection process. Now you link the TV service to Google Home so commands reach the set. Tap Add, choose Setup Device, then Works with Google. Search for Realme or Android TV and sign into that service to grant permissions. You're allowing Google to send playback and power commands. This is why authorization is needed. After authorization, assign the TV to a room and give it a simple name like Living Room TV. That makes voice calls and routines reliable. Test with a short command to confirm linkage. Finish by testing power, volume, and media playback so you know everything works. Say, "Hey Google, turn on Living Room TV," then play a YouTube video to confirm media controls. If the TV is unresponsive, reboot the TV, router, and phone. Power cycles clear many network or pairing glitches. Make sure the same Google account is used, firmware is current, and HDMI CEC is enabled if you rely on remote pass-through. These steps fix most connection failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.